Because Rangahau tells me that what we see is not always what is, and that modernity, which focuses on the senses, and seeing is believing, is quite superficial, because that comes from Te Kete Aronui. If we move to Te Kete Tuatea, there's that beyond the senses, those things that we feel with the gut. It's more reflexive. And Rangahau tells me that that has a place in our lives as well. Rangahau is my moko learning how to ride a bike. Rangahau is kids playing in the rain and getting muddy and liking it. Rangahau is good.